Understanding hearing aid fitting. A guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad of expressions. Today, we're diving into a very specific phrase that might not be familiar to everyone: hearing aid fitting. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about various English terminologies, this video is crafted to shed light on what this phrase means, its importance, and how it's used in everyday conversation. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. First things first, let's dissect the term hearing aid fitting into two parts to understand it better. A hearing aid is a small electronic device that a person with hearing loss wears in or behind their ear. The device amplifies sounds, making it easier for the person to listen, communicate, and participate more fully in daily activities. The word fitting, in this context, refers to the process of adjusting or customizing something to make it suitable or comfortable for the user. Therefore, when combined, hearing aid fitting refers to the tailored process of adjusting a hearing aid to fit an individual's specific hearing loss needs and comfort. A proper hearing aid fitting is crucial for several reasons. It ensures that the hearing aid is not only comfortable to wear but also optimized to improve the user's hearing ability as effectively as possible. This process involves several steps, including assessment of the individual's hearing loss, understanding the type and degree of hearing loss to select the appropriate hearing aid model, physical fitting of the device, adjusting the size and shape of the hearing aid to fit the user's ear comfortably, programming the hearing aid, customizing the settings to match the user's specific hearing loss profile, providing guidance and instructions, teaching the user how to use, maintain, and care for the hearing aid. The hearing aid fitting process is a personalized experience that involves collaboration between the individual and a hearing healthcare professional. It typically includes 1. A thorough hearing evaluation. This is to determine the specific characteristics of the individual's hearing loss. 2. Selection of a suitable hearing aid, based on lifestyle needs, preferences, and the type of hearing loss. 3. Customization and programming, tailoring the device's settings to enhance hearing in various environments. 4. Real ear measurement, a method used to ensure the hearing aid is providing the correct amount of amplification. 5. Follow-up appointments. These are crucial for making adjustments and ensuring the hearing aid continues to meet the user's needs. Understanding the term hearing aid fitting gives us insight into the comprehensive and personalized process required to ensure that individuals with hearing loss receive the maximum benefit from their hearing aids. It's not just about selecting a device. It's about crafting a listening experience that enhances the user's quality of life. We hope this video has illuminated the importance and intricacies of hearing aid fittings. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you. Stay curious, and keep learning.